Welcome back to 1200 plus PYQ series of CSIR So this question was asked in NET June 2016. The question says that in the Large Hadron Collider LHC, that is a particle accelerator, okay, two equal energy proton beam traverse in opposite direction along a circular path of length 27 kilometer. So there is a particle accelerator LHC, okay, its length is 27 kilometer and two equal energy proton beam travel in opposite direction, okay, travel in opposite direction along a circular path, and this length is 27 kilometer. Now the question is saying that if the total center of mass or energy of a proton-proton pair is 14 tera electron volt. Which of the following is the best approximation for the proper time taken by a proton to traverse the entire path? Means here we have to find what is the proper time taken by that proton to traverse that 27 kilometer distance. Okay, your options are 12 nanosecond, 1.2 microsecond, 1.2 nanosecond, 0.12 microsecond. Okay, since in Large Hadron Collider LHC, the proton travels with a relativistic speed. By relativistic speed, we mean that the speed comparable to the speed of light. We know that distance is equals to speed into time. So time is equals to distance by speed. And here speed is equal to c, hence we can write time is equals to d by c. Now from the question you can observe that d, the distance is given to be 27 kilometer. Okay, 27 kilometers. So in place of d we will write 27 kilometer. If we convert 27 kilometer into meter, then we will write 27 into 10 to the power 3 of meter. Okay, now the speed is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, hence time is equals to 27 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 3 into 10 to the power 8, which is equals to 9 multiplied with 10 to the power minus 15 seconds. Okay, now from the relativistic mechanics, okay, we have the formula for proper time. Okay, we have the formula, that is t0 is equals to t multiplied with root over of 1 minus v square by c square, where t0 is the proper time. Okay, now we are interested to find this value, that is the value of root over of 1 minus v square by c square. Okay, we know that the relativistic energy is given as E is equals to m0 c square divided by root over of 1 minus v square by c square. Okay, this is the relativistic energy formula. Now from this equation we will find the value of 1 minus v square by c square. Okay, so root over of 1 minus v square by c square is equals to m0 c square by e. From this equation we got this expression. Now for a proton, the mass, okay, now for a proton the mass is 938 mega electron volt. Okay, for a proton the mass is 938 mega electron volt. If you convert the mass of proton to energy, okay, then you are getting 938 mega electron volt. And now in the question it is given that the energy of the proton proton pair, okay, carefully observe this, the mass energy of the proton proton pair is 14 tera electron volt. Okay, means for two proton it is 14, so one proton it is 7. Okay, so in place of this energy, we will write 7. Okay, this energy we will write 7 tera electron volt. Now let us solve it. So we are getting that root over of 1 minus v square by c square is equals to 938 multiplied with 10 to the power 6, because mega means 10 to the power 6, divided by 7 multiplied with 10 to the power 12, because tera means 10 to the power 12. If we solve it, then we are getting 134 multiplied with 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, hence the value of root over of 1 minus b square by c square is equals to 134 multiplied with 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, hence we got the value of root over of 1 minus b square by c square. So simple. Now we were to find t0. So for finding t0, we will multiply this t with root over of 1 minus v square by c square. Since we have already found the value of t, that is 9 into 10 to the power minus 5 second, and the value of root over of 1 minus v square by c square, from here, that is 134 multiplied with 10 to the power minus 6. Hence we will find proper time t0 as t multiplied with root over of 1 minus v square by c square, which is equals to 9 into 10 to the power minus 5 multiplied with 134 multiplied with 10 to the power minus 6. On solving this, you are getting t0 is equals to 12 nanosecond. Okay, you have the calculator on your screen, because CSIR NET is a CBT based examination. So in that calculator you can easily calculate. Okay, hence A is the correct option. For more videos, please check this playlist and subscribe my channel. Thank you.